Okay guys, today I'm going to open up my package from Amazon. Alrighty, so as you can see right here, got a nice little gift from Amazon. Well, not really a gift because I paid for it, but I bought me a nice little piece of equipment for my new channel, which I'm going to open up and share with you guys. Alright, get my knife in there. Alright guys, so in the package is these two gifts. Alright, so we got a microphone stand slash pole from Newer. Alright, attach it to the desk, and we're gonna upgrade the audio with this nice Snowball Ice Black. Alright, so plug and play microphone, guys. Plugs into the USB of your computer and it's good to go. No extra software required. Alright, so we have the microphone, professional stand. Alright, small packaging, no knife required. Just open it up on the side, and let's see what we got. And so there you go. So we got the mounting piece. The arm is pretty long. Span the table. This is the mount for your microphone, and so with the blue Snowball Ice, you actually don't need this part. All right, what you want to do is you want to take this little small piece right here, all right, and you want to screw it off. All right, so here's what you need right here, guys. Can you see it? A little small piece. Alright. Take that, put that aside. This I don't need. Alright. You got your mount. It's pretty simple. Screw it off and mount it to your cabinet. Then you got your mic on. So this piece is the piece that we're going to, mount our microphone to. All right. Next up is the creme de la creme, the blue Snowball Ice. All right. Or the black one. So got one box. And that's it. That's all she wrote. So in this box, you got the cable, you got the tripod, and you got the manual. USB cable for your mic. USB cable. So the tripod that comes with it, but of course we won't need the tripod, alright, because we're gonna be mounting it to our microphone stand. It's a pretty long cord, like it may be about 6 feet, 6.5 feet, give or take. Alright. Then we're gonna take this, that aside. Instruction manual. We don't need that. And so here goes the Blue Snowball ice. So that's all that's in this box. So you got the Blue Snowball right here. It's a nice small form factor, kind of heavy. Okay. Has a LED light on top, USB in the back, and that's your mock mount. So you want to take this little black piece and screw it into here. So screw that in here. Alrighty, once it gets nice and snug, you may want to reinforce it with a quarter, or in this case I have my knife. Alright. Alright. Got that installed. Okay. So next, I'm gonna mount my microphone on. Take this and give me a second. I'm gonna go under here and I'm going to install my mic. Has a little screw right here. You want to loosen it up to make room inside this hole. All right, that's where the mic arm goes in. This right here, this goes inside of here. See, so I have to loosen it up. There you go. All right, so give me a second, let me install this. So now I got to install. There she go. Thank you for checking out my video. The audio that you're hearing now is recorded using the Blue Snowball Ice. All of the audio from the install video was recorded using a lavalier mic, which will be linked in the description below, guys. So thank you for checking out my video. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button. And if you're interested in seeing more videos, let me know in the comments what kind of videos would you guys like to see. Again, I love tech and I would like to share that with you guys. Thanks.